A review of a film. You read this. Let's see what the rubric asks for. You need to write a review of a film that you believe is the film of the year for an English language website for young people. In your review, you should say what is good about it and who you think will enjoy watching it. You need to write about 100 to 140 words.
Top Gun Maverick is an action film by director Joseph Kosinski, which is set 30 years after the events of the first Top Gun film. It stars Tom Cruise as Navy pilot Pete Maverick Mitchell and Val Kilmer as Tom Iceman Kazansky. At the beginning of the film, Maverick gets a new assignment and becomes an instructor at the famous Top Gun pilot school. When he arrives, he must train a group of young pilots to do a dangerous mission. Can he help them achieve the impossible? The actors in the film are all very talented and give incredible performances. Unlike other films, there's very little CGI, but the special effects are still excellent and very exciting because all the planes used in the film are actually real. Top Gun Maverick is a wonderful film, and anyone who likes action blockbusters will love it. I recommend it and think it's the best film of the year.
Let's see how we can write a review about a film. As the rubric requests, in this type of review, we need to begin with the information about the film: title, genre, director, and names of actors. In the main body, we give a summary of the plot and comment on the acting and any other features that make the film special. We finish our review with our recommendation. When we write a review, it is good to use a variety of adjectives to make it more interesting to the reader. Look at the adjectives the writer has used to describe aspects of the plot, the special effects, the actors, and to give their opinion. When we write a review, we need to recommend it to the readers. Have a look at the phrase the writer has used to recommend the film in the model. We can also use sentences such as, "Don't miss it. I highly recommend it. It's worth seeing if you get the chance." A review can also be negative. However, if we don't like something, it's important to give a reason why, as this will help others decide if they want to see it themselves. You could use phrases such as, "I wouldn't recommend it to anyone. It was disappointing. It is a waste of time. Don't bother seeing it." So now you are ready to write a review of a film.